Workers grip grinders firmly, sweeping evenly along mold cavities and surfaces. All corners and grooves are covered. Each grind pursues micron-level precision, embodying superior precision manufacturing strength. Fingertips glide over mold surfaces and cavities smooth, burr-free. Bottle map threads, millimeter precision crafted. Grooves uniform, clear and evenly deep. Mold cavities, over 1,000 grinds and polishes, achieving mirror finish smoothness. Guide pillars coated with anti-rust oil isolate corrosive agents like air and moisture, slowing corrosion, ensuring operational precision and equipment lifespan.